Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace be upon you all and welcome to the channel. In this video, a rather short video, we will cover the access specifiers available to local variables. So this is part of the scope of a local variable. So without any delay, let us start. I will create a local variable here and I will say public int num is equal to 5. And as you can see, this is unacceptable. What about protected? This is also unacceptable. How about private? Again, unacceptable. And of course, if it is package, that is the only acceptable access specifier. The reason for that is the life expectancy or the expiration of local variables. Local variables are created and immediately destroyed based upon I opened the Visual Studio Code based upon the scope they are in. So since they are limited to that scope and that scope only, you cannot access local variables from elsewhere. So if let us say I have this method here, display, and I will create a local variable or a method parameter. Both are the same. And here I will say number is equal to 5. I cannot access this number here. Number is equal to 6. I have an error. It will tell me that I cannot resolve the symbol. Why is that? Because this local variable or this parameter is limited to the scope that it lies within in terms of accessibility. Thus, having this as public or private or protected yields nothing because I cannot access it anyways. It is inaccessible except within its own respective scope. That is why you cannot use any of the access specifiers. So what does that tell us? That local variables accessibility is limited to their respective code blocks, whether it is a method, a loop, an if state or a control statement, and so on and so forth. So what does that inform us about access specifiers? That I'll write a note here. Access specifiers such as protected, private, and public are available to instance or global variables and methods within and methods. So yeah, you can create a public method as you can see here in the driver class or in other classes. But you cannot have a local variable with an access specifier. That is not allowed. And that is it with regards to this lecture. I hope this video was helpful and beneficial to you all. Enjoy the rest of your day, everyone. Be safe, take care, and peace be upon you all. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.